Welcome to OpenOcean. And as some of you might have already used OpenOcean, as we are the first DEX aggregator expand to Fantom. And OpenOcean finds you the best price across all DEXs on Fantom. So within one click, you can trade with the best price on Fantom. Here I'm giving you some more information about OpenOcean and the background information about why we moved to Fantom. Fantom was launched as a compelling Ethereum alternative. So Fantom DeFi has grown at a pace and growing very fast. The total value locked on the network at the time we aggregated Fantom has surpassed 2 billion, and the DeFi projects has multiplied across the ecosystem. So with Fantom, transactions can be processed faster and more cheaply while maintaining high levels of decentralization and security. So as you know, like OpenOcean always follow the community suggestions. After our community votes and inquiries for Fantom-based assets, we have expanded to Fantom, and we aggregated the leading DEXs on Fantom, such as SpookySwap, SpiritSwap, SushiSwap, and Curve. So with the integration, OpenOcean users and Fantom users have no fear in finding the best prices on Fantom-based assets. Within one click, they can execute the transactions on OpenOcean easily. And OpenOcean's Atlantic version is launched on Fantom. And Fantom is the first network OpenOcean launched the Atlantic version. OpenOcean is a full aggregation protocol. We offer traders with one-stop transaction experience on DeFi and CeFi with top trading efficiency. We start from the aggregation of swaps. As you can see, we have already aggregated 10 public networks, and we will further expand to cross-chain swaps in very near future. Starting from this month, we will start the aggregation of derivatives as well. We are also going to aggregate more DeFi and CeFi ecosystem products, for example, lending products, yield products, and insurance products, and build an OpenOcean ecosystem. On the OpenOcean aggregated ecosystem, we are going to provide intelligent wealth management services to the users. I will explain you more about the details later. So OpenOcean has aggregated over 10 public networks, as well as centralized exchange Binance. So we have aggregated more than 50 exchanges, including decentralized exchanges across 10 public networks and Binance. The total available liquidity on OpenOcean has surpassed 66 billion. And we are on 10 public networks, including Ethereum, Layer 2, Binance Smart Chain, Fantom, Avalanche, Polygon, Solana, Heco, and Charm, etc. And the total active users that have traded on OpenOcean has surpassed 350,000, and the total transactions has exceeded 1.2 million. We have launched our governance and utility token OOE in July. So take this as an example on how users can use OpenOcean and on Fantom. So we have aggregated the leading DEXs on Fantom, for example, SpookySwap, SpiritSwap, SushiSwap, and Curve. So for example, right now, if you want to trade our price across FTM to USDT, so on OpenOcean, you can see like we look for the best price on you across the aggregated swaps we have on Fantom, and we split the routes for you across SpookySwap and JSwap to find you the best final returns. So the best price on OpenOcean is better than the best price offered by SpookySwap and JSwap. So through this you can trade with the best price. So how we are going to achieve this is we have integrated an intelligent algorithm to find the best outcomes for users. We take into consideration of the best prices on each DEXs and the gas cost for us to speed the routes. So you don't need to worry about like leverage or sacrificing the best price if you need to pay for more gases. We take everything into consideration. So we give you the best final return and save you some gas fees and save you some and offer you the best return across various taxes. So within one click, you can find the best trade on Fantom. And the other valuable position we offer is for you to compare the prices between decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. So for example, here, take the example of ETH to USDC case. You can find like the value provided for you to swap one ETH to USDC on OpenOcean is better than the price on Binance. So once you find it, you compare the prices between the best price OpenOcean offered and the prices on Binance. You can make your free choices whether to trade on decentralized exchanges or to connect to the account in the OpenOcean and trade on the centralized exchanges. This is the case that OpenOcean offers you better price on decentralized exchanges, but sometimes centralized exchanges might offer you a better price, and maybe they have better liquidity on centralized exchanges if you want to trade large size deals. So OpenOcean is here to offer you a comparison and a free choice to trade on decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges after price comparison. So we are offering you the innovative solutions to start from best rate across DeFi and CeFi to highest trading efficiency across to our improved algorithm for to result in less slippage and better rates. And we have faster response times and to optimize your routing to achieve lower gas fees. So to put everything in general, so to put everything together, so you can find and you can trade with the best rate with very high trading efficiency. Later, from our derivative aggregation, we are going to provide breakthrough innovative solutions on derivative aggregations. And so we will maximize users' capital efficiency with one-stop derivative trading by opening positions on multiple derivative protocols together. And so, for example, you just need to open a margin pool on OpenOcean. We can assist you to trade on various derivative products using a combined margin pool on OpenOcean. So your positions can be offset by each other to have less capital outlay as well. So for example, you want to trade on DYDX and another derivative perpetual protocol, for example, on a single public network, and with OpenOcean derivative aggregation, with an OpenOcean with a single OpenOcean. So I'm here to sharing you the OpenOcean's innovative solutions we provide. So as the previous example, you can see that we find you the best rates across DeFi and CeFi. 重新来吧。I'm here to show you OpenOcean's innovative solutions on DeFi and CeFi. So first, we bring you the best rate across DeFi and CeFi. As the previous example, you can see like you can trade on the best price on either DeFi or CeFi according to your choices. And we offer you the highest trading efficiency by our improved algorithm. And so users can trade with less slippage, better rates, faster response times, and achieve a lower gas fee to get a best return in general. So in the future, we are going to aggregate derivative aggregations. This is start from this month. We will aggregate decentralized derivative products and switch routes for users to trade with the best price on derivatives trading. And we will launch our combined margin products to offer one-stop derivative trading. That means like with a single combined margin pool on OpenOcean, you can trade across various derivative products on public networks simultaneously. So, and the multiple positions can be offset to each other. For example, a long position and a short position can be offset by each other in the OpenOcean margin pool so that you can have less capital outlay and risk. And this also greatly improves your trading efficiency and the capital utilization. And we will also launch the intelligent wealth management products. So this is to take the advantage of the full aggregated ecosystem. We aggregate spot products, we aggregate derivative products, we will also further aggregate yield products and insurance products on DeFi and CeFi ecosystems. So after that, users can apply their investment strategies on OpenOcean. For example, the CTA strategies. And we also offer SaaS products for users to capture arbitrage opportunities found on spot and future tradings across DEXs and centralized exchanges. So for example, you can do automatic arbitrage tradings across decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges. We also offer you trading opportunities and to capture you the trading opportunities to trade across spot products and derivative products if we capture that arbitrage opportunity. So OpenOcean offers you the tool to utilize your capital and to make a profit based on our designed trading strategies for you. And also you can apply your trading strategy on OpenOcean based on our aggregate ecosystem. So here is our roadmap. So we start from 2020 September, and by then we have aggregated Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain ontology, and we are the first DEX aggregator on Binance Smart Chain. And later we aggregated Tron, and also like we aggregated spot products on Binance and became the first CDFI aggregator. Starting from Q3, we aggregated more public networks, for example, Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, and Fantom, and also like OEC and Heckle. We became the first DEX aggregator on Solana, Avalanche, and Fantom. And we have also issued governance token OOE in July and start OOE liquidity mining program, which is very popular in our community. Right now, we are in the Atlantic Ocean version. So we have just upgraded our protocol to Atlantic to find users the best final return in the market. With our total active addresses trading on OpenOcean has exceeded 350,000. We are also going to launch cross-chain protocol aggregation and support cross-chain swap with the best price to facilitate your one-stop trading experience across 10 public networks. Also, we are going to launch our SaaS projects that supports automated arbitrage transactions between DEXs and SEXs. We will also support define limit order transactions and the grid trading function on OpenOcean, which is also a breakthrough innovation in industry. You can now trade with grid trading functions on OpenOcean, and the functionality is expected to be released within a month. So later, we are going to work on the aggregation of DeFi derivative products to assist one-stop trading on OpenOcean on various products across various derivative protocols. You can looking forward to that. It will be a very, very innovative solution to the industry. I'm sure the traders will love it. we are going to expand to Pacific Open Ocean version in 2022. So in the Pacific Ocean version, we are continuing with our algorithm upgrading. So on Open Ocean, we will launch Pacific Ocean version with even better price solutions and expand to more public networks. We are also continuing with the aggregation of defined derivative products, and we will launch best price future price trading with algorithm to split the routes and assist the best trades in all similar future products. So that means like similar to the DEX aggregation function, we can support users to trade with the best price on derivatives. And we will help traders to capture investment opportunities such as price spread. Later, we will launch Open Ocean combined margin products to assist lower margin trading by offsetting positions on different directions. So in the second half of 2022, in the next year, we will launch our intelligent wealth management services to support arbitrage trading between spot and future. And also we will help users to execute CTA strategies. And we will integrate more DeFi and CeFi products such as lending and insurance products to enlarge Open Ocean ecosystem. So later in 2023, we will expand to Open Ocean version. So on Open Ocean version, we will launch the full intelligent asset wealth management services platform, covering the decentralized and centralized financial ecosystem we have aggregated and provide you decentralized and centralized financial solutions. So what we have achieved so far, as you can see, like we are the first and leading DEX aggregator on Binance Smart Chain. We are the first DeFi and CeFi aggregator. We are the first aggregator on Fantom, Solana, and Avalanche. The total number of OE holders now is approximately 90,000. We are tradable on decentralized exchanges such as KuCoin and Open Ocean in decentralized exchanges. So, and the users covering 200 countries and regions. We have around 65,000 active community members and reached 170,000 followers on Twitter. We are very popular in the industry, and we have seen a very fast growing in our community members and Twitter followers, and we get media exposure on various leading medias. So to give you an introduction to the Open Ocean team, our team is comprised of experienced engineers and financial veterans from leading financial exchanges and IT companies such as IBM, Intel, HP, with 15 years plus industry experience. And the founders have extensive financial and risk management experience from international investment institutions. Me myself has experience in RBS, and I have also have my major in advanced finance, which is focusing on hedge fund and wealth management. Also, before the developing of Open Ocean, our team members supported the design and development of some of the world's top 10 public networks and the top tier exchanges. So to sharing you the background of why we are here and why we have come up with the idea of a full aggregator is that as we are the background, our background are financial experts. When we come into the crypto world, we find like the market infrastructure is not very user-friendly for traders. They are very segmented, and it's very difficult to make efficient tradings across various exchanges. And it's very difficult to capture information at the same time. For example, the price information varies from different exchanges, different decentralized exchanges and different centralized exchanges. It's also very inefficient to trade across multiple exchanges. For example, you need to, if you want to do the cross-chain swaps, it normally takes a very long time, and you need to have gas fees on various networks to be able to make that happen. And it's not possible to trade on as much token as possible. The tokens should be supported by the bridges. It's also very impossible. It's also impossible for you to maximize profits by applying your strategies because of this incompleteness in the structures. So we come to the idea of building a full aggregator. So we have a vision of building a full aggregator for crypto trading that can serve as a bridge connecting the isolated islands of DeFi and CeFi. And our team is dedicated to building an ecosystem that is beneficial to all kinds of users and empowering all to trade at the best prices and apply their investment strategies most efficiently. So we have received investment from Binance, Multicoin Capital, CMS, Connected, Huobi, Autonomy, and OKEX Virgin Fund, or Downmaker, Podcast Data, and others. So if you want to know more about us, you can come to our website. We have just launched our Atlantic version to offer users with the best price across 10 public networks. And OpenOcean Atlantic version supports 10 public networks and Binance. And you can follow our Twitter and Medium to find more information and the recent updates of us. And also you can join our Telegram or Discord to talk with our core team members. So thanks for your watching. So we can talk more about why we aggregate and expand to Fantom. As you see, like Fantom was launched as a compelling Ethereum alternative. And Fantom DeFi has been growing at pace, and the total volume lock on the network has surpassed 2 billion when we aggregated on them. And the DeFi projects have multiplied across the ecosystem. So with Fantom, the transactions can be processed faster and more cheaply while maintaining high levels of decentralization and security. So after our community's votings and inquiries for Fantom-based access, we expanded to Fantom and aggregated its leading dexes, for example, SpookySwap, SpiritSwap, SushiSwap, JetSwap, and Curve. So with the integration, the users has no fears in finding the best trades on Fantom-based assets executed by OpenOcean's new Atlantic version. So welcome to have a try on OpenOcean and have a try on OpenOcean Fantom. Folks, keep an eye on us and on our ongoing progresses as we are growing very fast. So thanks for watching, and we are waiting for you in our Discord and TG to talk more with us. Thank you.